everyone, Gil at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about baking supplies. But before we get into that, if you're new here to the channel or you just haven't had a chance to subscribe, take this opportunity, click the red button down below there, and then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Alrighty, so baking supplies. Well, we're heading into fall, and there's a whole bunch of baking to be happening this time of the year. You got Halloween coming up, so Halloween cookies and stuff like that. And then you have Thanksgiving coming up, and of course, and pumpkin pies, all sorts of breads and stuff for Thanksgiving. And then you got Christmas coming up, which is even more cookies and breads and dessert things and stuff. So baking supplies is something you want to make sure you have plenty of. And you should have plenty anyways in your prep, just because your prep should be loaded for at least a year's worth of stuff. And that's probably your best target, is to have a year's worth of stuff in your preps. So make sure you have plenty of everything you need to bake whatever it is you like to bake. Now, one of the things also to consider is right now, there are sales going on some of the stuff, like the chocolate chips and the butterscotch chips and the cinnamon chips. All those good little chips adding to cookies and stuff, they're on sale. Powdered sugar, the brown sugar, and regular sugar, it's on sale right now. Flour's on sale. Now's the time to get out there and get it, folks. Especially since the projections are for later in the year here, there's going to be shortages. So get the stuff now. All right. And as always, check your recipes. Oh, I changed it up on you. Check your recipes to make sure exactly what is needed. So you find out, I don't have enough cinnamon, or I need to get more butter, or I need more of this. Check your recipes. Make sure you have plenty of everything. All right. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish, and keep on prepping. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.